Dear student, today we will derive an equation for the capacitance or capacity of a parallel plate capacitor. Let a parallel plate capacitor or condenser consist of two thin conducting plate. The area of each plate is A and it is separated by a distance D. If we supply a charge plus Q or give a charge plus Q on one of its plate, that is on P, then an induced charge minus Q comes on the another plate, that is on plate Q. Which one face is earthed. When the medium between the plate is air or vacuum, then the electric field intensity between the plates is given by E equal to sigma by epsilon naught, where sigma is the surface density of charge. This equation, that is E equal to sigma by epsilon naught, you can use the concept of Gauss application. In Gauss application, we see the electric field intensity due to a single infinite charge on a point lies at some distance from the plate is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. That means due to single charge plate, the electric field intensity is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Here, two plates, then for the other plates, the electric field intensity E equal to also sigma by 2 epsilon naught, because on the both plate the magnitude of charge is equal, so the surface charge density is also equal. Then we took the total inverse electric field intensity, that is E is equal to E1 plus E2, that is E1 is the electric field intensity of plate 1 and E2 is the intensity of plate 2. Therefore, E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Or you can use the another concept which you see in the Gauss application. We find the electric field intensity due to two charge shift which is parallel to each other, in which we divide it in three regions. One of the region is between the two plates. In this case, we found that E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught, and also the electric field intensity is uniform between the plates. So, E equal to sigma by epsilon naught. As just I am telling about it, the electric field intensity between the plate is uniform, therefore we can write E equal to V by D, where V is the potential difference between the plates, or V is equal to ED. In this equation, we put the value of E, we got V equal to putting the value of E, we got V equal to sigma D by epsilon naught. Since we know that sigma is the surface charge density, so we can write sigma equal to Q by A. Putting this, we got V equal to Q by A D by epsilon naught. And capacitance or capacity C of parallel plate condenser is C equal to Q by V. In this equation, we put the value of V, then we obtained C is equal to Q by QD by A epsilon naught. Simplifying it, we got the final equation C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. It is the equation for capacity or capacitance of air-core parallel plate capacitor. It's all for